In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable duplex or two-sided printing on your Brother printer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in Control Panel. Best match, will come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. So your view by in the top right to large icons, and then you want to select Devices and Printers. And now you want to scroll down and select printers and scanners, and then select the Brother printer on this list, and then select printing preferences, where it says two-sided/booklet. Click on the drop down and you can select two-sided here if you choose to do so. And then if you select the settings button that appears under that, once you've enabled two-sided printing, you can adjust what side the printer will print the text onto. So the long edge, the short edge on the top or the bottom, so you can kind of see how the page flow would be once you printed it out. So pretty straightforward on that. And then you would select OK, and then applying OK to save the change, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.